Hello, my name is Namrata Kumari Verma and I am an online tutor. Currently, I have been associated with the platform named The Excited State, which is basically a platform which are providing online as well as offline tuition to students. I have been teaching a student from class 12th, a CBSE board, and the subject is economics. My experience with this platform is really good. Garima ma'am and Urvashi ma'am are really good people, and they are a good mentor. The payment is also good, and the student from this on this platform are also really good. They are from good background, and they are from good school, and my teaching experience as well as my teaching experience is concerned. I have been teaching from the last 3 years. I have been taught in school as well as private institutions, as well as I have also giving online tuitions as well as offline tuition. But this is my journey with online. This is my journey with the Excited State, which is really good.